Hello, I am Sarah. I am Iraqian woman. I came from Iraq to participate in this festival of Pyramide show event. And I am Risk Education Project Manager. I am working in Iraq with my team. We are delivering risk education session to the people that displaced from the cities that there were a war recently, before 1 year ago. We are delivering risk education session to these people and to the people that is deciding to return to their area after the war is finished. And we are telling them that most of the area it's contaminated, and we explaining them what to do and what to not do. We have a specific material. We are using it to deliver the session. The session is adapted for the children and for the adults. So we have poster, brochures, leaflets, flip charts. On these materials, there is a specific message, and also there is a specific picture. We take it from the different cities that is contaminated by mines, by improvised explosive device, which is homemade device created. It could be from anything. It's very cheap. They created from $1 or $2. They created as a booby traps to let the people not understand what is this, and they come close to it, then it's explode on them. Actually, today it was a big opportunity to me to participate in this event because I wanted to advocate on the national level, especially for the students. Yesterday I was in schools, and today I saw them actually on the ground here. I was too much happy to participate of the big campaign that's Handicap International we are doing now, which is Stop Bombing Civilians, because when we are participating on the local and international level, we are letting the government to wake up.